all had our cravings. Sometimes salty, sometimes sweet. But have you ever craved both at once? Well then you can definitely count on these Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are American treats consisting of chocolate cups filled with peanut butter. These peanut butter cups are super easy to make with just 3 ingredients. And the best thing about this recipe is that it's vegan friendly. Hey guys! I'm Chef Aruna from Tufal Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. So without wasting more time, let's make these vegan peanut butter cups. First, we'll melt our vegan dark chocolate in a microwave. For this recipe, we are using this chocolate. They are vegan and easily available on Amazon. For the melting part, I am only heating the chocolate for 30 seconds at a time, as that prevents the chocolate from burning due to overheating. So as we are making Reese's cups, they have a signature appearance, and to achieve that, we'll be using a cupcake mold which is already lined with butter paper cupcake liners. Now we'll transfer this melted chocolate into a piping bag. In this, we'll pour our melted chocolate till 1/3 level of the cupcake liners. And then we'll freeze the first layer of chocolate for 10 minutes or until it's semi-solid. Meanwhile the chocolate is setting, we'll prepare our peanut butter filling. We'll first soften our peanut butter. Here, I am using creamy peanut butter, but you can also use crunchy peanut butter as per your liking. Now we'll add icing sugar and mix until we get a smooth, creamy, pipeable peanut butter. So our peanut butter filling is ready. I have brought out our first layer of chocolate from the fridge. In this, we'll pipe our peanut butter filling evenly, then pour the remaining melted chocolate over it. We will lightly tap the cupcake tray so that the chocolates get evenly distributed. And lastly, we will sprinkle some sea salt flakes on top. And again keep it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes or until the chocolate sets properly. Our peanut butter cups have set properly. We'll now gently remove the cupcake liners. Here you go, our vegan Reese's peanut butter cups are ready. I hope you guys like this recipe and try it out in your kitchens. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.